What's up, it's Boy here, and in today's video, we're gonna be looking at Bose Soundlink Micro. So without further ado, let's go! So guys, simulan na natin siya sa isa sa pinaka-importanteng aspect ng speaker na to, which is yung kanyang battery life. Nakakakuha ako dito ng 4 to 5 hours blasting on full volume. But if you want to attain yung kanyang 6 hours of advertised battery life, you should play it at around 80% volume. Para naman sa kanyang charging, no, I only charge it for around 3 hours using this ordinary Apple 5-watt charger. Now, punta naman tayo sa speaker itself, no. Pagdating naman sa kanyang speaker, this is literally a loud speaker. Guys, this is louder than ordinary speaker with the same size. Actually, kung makikita niyo yung mga speaker sa palengke na banlalaki tapos 500 to 1,000 pesos lang, guys, hindi ka mabibigo dito. Small, but terrible. Talaga naman. Take a look at this. Para naman sa kanyang sweet spot or para makuha mo yung kanyang optimal sound quality na may balance, bass, and sound clarity, I recommend that you play this speaker on 60 to 80% volume level. Shielded din ang speaker na ito, so it is a great idea to buy this one if you want a speaker na ilalagay mo malapit sa mga screens or monitors. Dahil alam niyo naman guys, ang mga monitors ay sensitive sila sa magnet. Naalala niyo yung mga CRT TV na yon, na kapag dinikitan mo ng magnet ay namamanipulate mo yung color. Hehe, huwag mo gagawin yan, papagalitan ka ng mama mo. Sabi nga nila, 2 is better than 1. Sana all. This speaker can be paired with other speakers, just like JBL. So, kung mayroon kang dalawang Bose Soundlink Micro, you can pair them with each other and they will play simultaneously. So, mayroon ka ng instant stereo setup with Bose. Mayroon din itong IP67 rating, so maulanan man to, mabasa sa shower, mahulog sa swimming pool, or even malagyan ng sandamakmak na alikabok, mas tatagal pa to sa talking stage mo ngayon. Mayroon din itong tear-proof strap na perfect for its portability. Pwede mo itong isabit sa motor, sa bike, sa railings, or sa bag mo if mahilig ka mag-hiking na gusto mo na may music ka beside you. And ito guys, yung isa sa pinaka-nagandahan talaga akong feature nitong Bose Soundlink Micro. You don't have to reach for the speaker itself to turn it on. All you have to do is turn on your Bluetooth on your device and connect it to Bose Soundlink Micro and it will automatically turn on.
Di tulad ng iba dyan na kailangan pasabihan bago kumilos. Ikaw ba yun?
Kidding aside, take a look at its technical specifications and features, and feel free to pause the video to get a clearer grasp. And syempre guys, wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-sound test na tayo. So guys, for 5,000 pesos, hindi ka lugi sa speaker na ito. You will absolutely get what you paid for. Pagdating sa kanyang sound quality, durability, at reliability, panalong-panalo ka basta na kay Bose ka. This video is not sponsored pero I just appreciate yung mga speaker na ginagawa ni Bose. Pero baka naman, Bose. So I think hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Let me know in the comment section below if mayroon ka pang questions with Bose Soundlink Micro and I will be absolutely happy to answer you. Like mo na tong video na to kung nahanap mo tong useful or kung nag-enjoy ka. And syempre, mag-subscribe ka na din para you won't miss my future uploads. Road to 3K na tayo and road to 3,000 subscribers giveaway. So mag-subscribe ka na, invite mo yung friends mo mag-subscribe para makapag-join kayo ng giveaway. So yun, thank you for staying until the end of this video. This is Poy and I'll see you in my next video.